Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Melrose Hill bypass, and this is it. Very nice road. It's a dual carriageway, 2 lanes in either direction. So this road will take you from Poros to Winchester, from Poros to Williamsfield in either direction, and also when you come off the Highway 2000 Maypen to Mandeville leg, you come off the highway and merge into the Melrose Hill bypass. So the Melrose Hill bypass is going to be incorporated into the highway. Now it's still going to be called the Melrose Hill bypass because this road has just been upgraded to facilitate the highway. It's still the Melrose Hill bypass, and you don't have to pay toll to use it. Now, when you come off the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway, you're going to merge into the Melrose Hill bypass and go up to Williamsfield. You can also, if you're leaving Williamsfield, take the Melrose Hill bypass to Poros, or there is a ramp or an entrance to the highway that can take you to Maypen. So it's very good that they have upgraded this road and not made it a toll road. This is the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica. And that's the Yam Park over there on the right. Now over here you can turn. They're going to put in a turning lane. So you have 5 lanes here. 3 in this direction going up because there's going to be a break in the barricade, and you can safely cross over because there will be a turning lane. So you just wait until there's no traffic and you go over to the Yam Park, which is very good because building these highways, you don't want to take away any economic benefit from anyone. Now, if this was a toll road, I don't think they would have allowed that turn to go over there. But it's not a toll road, so they can easily put it in. So this section of the highway now is to be finished in August of this year. In August, the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway is going to open. And it's going to be 15 minutes on the highway from Maypen to Mandeville. Game changer. 15 minutes on highway quality road. And they have said they're trying to keep the toll to less than $500. Can't beat that. And from Kingston to Mandeville, it's going to be 45 minutes on the highway. You're going to have 3 toll plazas. And that journey would cost, in a class 2 vehicle, about $1,500. Just estimate. They haven't announced the toll rate for the toll gate toll plaza. And it's kind of ironic that the toll plaza was built in toll gates. But that area was called toll gate before before the highway was even built. And what are these people doing? They are reversing on the highway. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Some things you just have to see to believe. Alright, so by all indications, this highway is on track to finish in August. But this is a very nice road, I must say. I'm very impressed with the job they have done on the Melrose Hill bypass. And the good thing is you don't have to pay toll to use this road. In the past, they were building an Old Harbor bypass for the town of Old Harbor. And then when they decided to build Highway 2000, they incorporated the Old Harbor bypass into the highway, and it became part of the toll road. when they were building the Portmore Expressway, Kingston to Portmore leg of the highway, they took the existing road, the Portmore Expressway, and turned it into a toll road. So it's very good that they have decided not to make the Melrose Hill bypass part of the toll road. Very good job. There is an alternate route. If you notice, traffic only goes in this direction. There is an alternative route where you can go over Melrose Hill to get from Porus to Williamsfield. And because of the construction of the highway, if you're going from Williamsfield to Porus now, you have to use the old road and go over the Melrose Hill bypass. However, when the highway is finished, you'll have traffic in both directions on the Melrose Hill bypass. So it's just temporary until the highway is finished. Alright guys, let us know what you think of the Melrose Hill bypass. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.